Hi, I'm Joachim Egler. I'm on the way to a large construction site. A tradesperson is having trouble with leveling on the construction site. Of course, I've got just the right tools for the job. Hello, Willy.
Hello, Joachim.
Nice to meet you. So tell me everything that you need to do on this construction site.
We're installing suspended ceilings and framed walls and preparing for electrical installation.
And performing control checks. Okay. Have a look. Here are the tools and accessories.
Yes, I see.
2 Kombi lasers, one with a red laser and one with a special green laser. Now, what problems are you having exactly?
The light here is very bright because of the large windows. I need to place markings here for electrical sockets and light switches, but I can't see the line.
Let me quickly explain a few details about this tool. You can see that this device produces a green line.
Why a green line?
The green line is particularly beneficial to you here, as it is 4 times easier to see than a red laser line. This means that the light is no longer a problem and you can work successfully and efficiently.
Perfect, great.
On the top here you can see the operating controls. And here's our 12-volt lithium-ion battery. The advantage of this is that it is of course compatible with other tools, such as angle grinders, jigsaws and cordless screwdrivers.
Brilliant.
And there's a Bluetooth button here as well. I'll explain why that's useful later on. So, shall we try it out? Here we are at the site of your first task. Could you explain what exactly you need to do here?
I need to make markings for a light switch at a distance of 10 centimeters from this door frame, and make markings for a light switch 10 centimeters from the corner of this wall.
All right. In this case, it makes sense for us to use this tripod, along with this motorized rotating platform. Then switch it on and press the Bluetooth button. There's an app to control it which is free to download and to update.
Okay, great.
Find the remote control function and now try moving the laser line to the place you need your first marking. Right, let's have a look. Just a few fine adjustments. Perfect. Now, make your marking and then let's move on to the second mark.
Yes.
You don't need to move the device by hand, so there are no vibrations and the scribe mark is perfectly clear and accurate.
It's brilliant. Here I made a mark on the floor and I need to mount a smoke detector on the ceiling right above it.
Okay. Now let me show you how quick and easy this can be. We switch on the device. It stabilizes itself. You just need to make sure that the point is directly above your marking. Once the laser is stabilized and leveled, you can make your marking straight away. Job done. Perfect. Okay. Then let's move on. This is now our third application. Can you please tell me what you're doing here and what you need to be able to carry out your work?
We need to carry out control measurements for the ceiling on this side of the room and all the way over there on the other side, so I need something to help me.
So, we've already set up the clamp here for the profile.
I see.
Now I'll climb the ladder. Switch the device on and press the Bluetooth button.
Okay.
You're already connected. But the problem is that if I want to change the position of the device by moving it, or if I work on the device, I could lose precision by changing its position. We can eliminate this risk by using the app.
Fine.
Move it into the first measuring position, please. Now we also have the additional advantage of being able to switch on each line mode individually. This conserves battery life and saves energy. Plus, if the green line is too strong, you can simply reduce the power level. The battery status changes automatically. So let's go to your first measuring point.
Okay. .5.
Now you can essentially compare the difference at the second measuring point.
Sure.
Where is the second measuring point?
At the back.
All right. Here's the main advantage. We can move around and still have the option to control the device using the app and move it into the right position.
Fine.
Happy with the result?
Brilliant.
Excellent. A job well done.
Perfect.
Great. It's the end of the day, so let's summarize everything that we did today. We prepared for electrical installation.
Yes.
We transferred markings.
Right.
We carried out control checks.
Exactly.
And let's not forget the connectivity. We connected a device to a mobile phone and used the phone as a remote control. My question to you is, how did you find the technology?
The technology is fantastic, especially because I can use it all by myself. I think it's great that I can mount the device on a station and control it remotely using my smartphone.
Willy, thank you again. I wish you all the best. I hope that everything goes well on the construction site.
Thank you.
If you need help, just get in touch. It's what we're here for.
Oh, I will.
And on that note, best of luck. Bye.
Ciao.